If you're looking for a good golf bag with all the features, you might want to check out this Orlimar. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up. It's an Orlimar. It's the SRX 7.4 golf bag. It does come in a variety of colors, but I got it in this gray and green neon. And I have been taking a close look at it, and I'll be honest, I am pretty impressed with it. This comes with a lot of stuff for not a lot of money. So let's take a close look. So I did like the look of this. It's a pretty modern looking bag. It's very sporty. It's got this nice nylon material on the side. It kind of reminds me of like a tent material. We have a plastic ring here so that you can hang your towel or your glove. It looks like the top part here is like Velcro, so the Velcro flap on your glove can stick to that, which is really nice. It's a great place to put it. We do have buttons up here so that you can put a top cover on it. Also, in the bottom of this large pocket, we do have a bag head cover here. So if you're using these to transport your clubs or it starts to rain and you want to cap everything up, it looks like it does come with a nylon hood that you can snap on right there. So that's pretty nice. That's included too. And we also have that mesh material, that breathable mesh up here. 7 pockets. These up here are going to be for your full-length clubs, for your woods. You can put shorter clubs on the side here, but everything about this is pretty cool. You do have that really bright divider right there. You also have these pockets right here. And you can see we have nylon material inside there and then right here. I also love the pull on this little paracord or bungee strap, but you can see we have this little velour material inside the pocket, which is really nice. This pocket makes it perfect for my wallet and keys, so I'll know exactly where they are and I don't have to worry about them getting scratched up or having this pocket dedicated to anything else. So that's really nice. I like that feature there. Now this pocket on this side will go all the way down. So that's going to be full length. You can put shoes or whatnot in there. You've got the Orlimar logo on this side. And then if we go over here, we also have a little drawstring here so that you could attach something if you needed to. But then right here, the first big feature is that you have the retractable legs. So you can see how those go all the way down. There is a little Velcro strap here so you can strap them down when you're transporting this so that they don't come out. But what you can see here is we have a little plastic foot, and then if I lean the bag down like this and put pressure on that plastic foot, it's going to push the legs out. And then we have a standing bag, and so this is great if you're a walker, you carry the bag. It's a pretty nice feature. Now on this side we have that padded mesh material right here, which is really nice. And then we have a very big pocket. You can see that this will open up. It's pretty voluminous. And in here again, more balls, boxes of balls, your shoes even maybe will fit in there, which is great. And then on the back side here we have a nice big plastic handle with a nice sturdy nylon strap. But then you can see here we have metal D-rings that hold on not just your standard golf strap but backpack straps. So you can see the nice backpack material, that green on there. These are very padded, breathable mesh material, adjustable, so you can throw this sucker on and carry it with you. It's going to be a lot easier than just using the one strap. And then over here again, another pocket, so that is very large as well. Everything about this is really nice. It's very light, and I love the fact that it has the stand, the backpack straps, those nice subtle features that will make it easier to have all your accessories around with you. I think just a great overall value. And the big thing that sold me about this is it was only like 70 bucks. So I think this is a great bag for the money. So if you want to pick it up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.